Yep.
Now we're headed to Chinatown.
It's like for there.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's handy having these all day passes for the metro, so we can just hop on for one stop and then save our legs a little bit.
Convenience is cool.
Either way, Dope Stone Lion.
Dope Stone Lion. Dope Stone Lion. Dope Stone Lion.
That is a dope stone lion, or rather lions. Okay.
Want to find something to eat?
Sure.
Goodbye. How'd you feel about that lunch?
Filling.
Yeah, it was delicious.
Yeah.
Now let's explore Chinatown a little bit. There's less tourists going on. Look at this beautiful mural.
Yeah, that's cool.
I guess next.
Excuse me, guys. Do you have any change to help me out?
Sorry. I think it was a really nice detour to get some food here and head out to check some more street art. What do you think?
I agree. What'd you say?
I found out where the metro is.
Oh, dope.
Right there.
Onward.